When Dirty Berry does this review, him a go vex. That's all I can say.
Hey guys!
Just do the show now more and you know, start it, because you did well last week, so do it.
So why you smile like that with teeth and bit? You do.
I'm just happy to be here.
Okay, come down if I do the ventures or something.
No, I don't have the money yet. You get me? But I'm just happy to be with you. Host the show now.
Wow, I'm happy too, friend.
You're happy? Once again, yeah, I'm glad.
Okay. Hey guys, Wampin, it's your girl Keeping Up with Jehneel, and we're here with
Dirty Berry.
Yes, and we're here with the start over.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Hey guys, Wampin, it's your girl Keeping Up with Jehneel.
And Dirty Berry.
Welcome to another episode of the Social House Review.
Yes.
Episode
9? A 9 we don't know?
Yes.
Okay,
9.
episode 9.
Yes, let's get into it, guys. Box cover.
Wampin. Ow.
Ew. Guys, Jesus, they don't want to make the episode so long. 1 hour?
1 hour later!
It was 1 hour?
1 hour!
Oh, what?
You know, no, you see, we come and watch it, we break up the episodes in a syllables, we watch it one time, so we never realize, so, wait, so that would mean that this episode 9 is the longest episode of Social House?
The longest episode of Social House, 1 hour, but guess what?
Yeah. It was a nice hour.
Yes, it was fun!
There are many fun things that you can do in 1 hour. First of all, so they started off the episode, right? And they did a little thing where Chad was going around and asking them, "Hey Rebel,
hey,
who would you not let date your daughter?"
And so most of them said
Chad.
Said Chad.
Chad.
You right, show. You.
Why?
You really want me to answer that?
So you see, when I tell you about Chad, little junior side, you know, look like them know about Chad have a little in the streets junior side. That Chad might be a city boy. You get me?
You're a city.
So yeah, I said Chad name son and pull your hair.
No, just fix me here.
Okay, you say it like Chad.
No, I'm just fix me and I call.
Are you doing the video and lusting after yourself, Jehneel? Wow.
God, you never made a mistake. Pa.
You know them people there? You know them friend there? When they take the group photo and then you want to look back on you, just want to make sure so everything alright. You only look on yourself. Your only business if you look good in a business boy if nobody else. You're like, alright. Yeah man, post a picture, me good. And my mouth got over there so set like.
Yeah, Simone, I'm sorry, I'm that friend.
That is how you are, wow.
Cut the cameras.
It's an unwritten rule, but anyway, so the people them they talk about Chad and say like basically them would want Chad for date them daughter. Come here, Chad is a galis. You see?
Yeah, I feel so too. You know, you're very say, I know you.
Yeah.
Remember some know y'all.
That way you know Paris.
Crazy.
Yeah. We really should do an episode in Paris wise for the whole like.
Swear to God.
It would be so fun.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Yeah, girl.
Who would you not let date your daughter?
Hey, Tango, crazy rich girl.
And then Dirty Ethan. This is what Ethan said when he was asked the question.
Yo.
Who would you not let date your daughter?
Rebel.
Yes.
You realize I'm calling out Rebel name?
Yes. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, and
So
there Rush come in. I don't know what for telling us say about Rush outfit this week. I'm not lying, guys. Like my lost for words. I honestly to God don't know what for telling you. More than me.
I just want them in the game. I never go change the outfit. I'm not surprised like last week.
I did think of something like that, cause yeah.
Well, you could have passed that over this for me. I thought about like using this to create a nice little outfit to be rushed this week. But then I said no, because I can't make my money waste like that. I know say you know paper. But come on, Jehneel. Come on. You don't think I could make a bad recreation? Don't tempt me, no.
Out of the paper towel?
Yes.
What about the tablecloth?
You serious?
You're not gonna make a rush come black me, so Let us just move right along. What, yeah?
Rush, you my dog. Don't remember go up on Instagram and say we gonna have it out.
Yeah, so yeah man, so they went to the hotel now and then Rush there, he saw all of them, you know, what, 6 of them in the house.
Yeah.
So they entered there and trust me, this is the part when Rebel step in, where Rebel go around so like to share a look for in case one duppy or something.
Morning.
A look for in case one duppy or something.
I can bet you see that editor there?
Raising pay.
You love watch cartoon.
Yeah man, Marvel, all kind of something.
You is a cartoon.
You know
nerd.
Pop culture. Oh yeah, cause them do the what was it? Which show them do it over?
Avatar.
Avatar, yeah.
Wow!
I never remember.
Me don't know how that come out of my mouth like that, like.
Jehneel, you is a cartoon freak. You is an undercover cartoon freak.
My brother.
Always saying I'm going like your hot girl under the sheets when you reach home. You up and watch Pokemon, Dragon Ball Z, you over there and watch a little manga them and sit them. You know the stuff them, Jehneel. You probably dress up and do your little Sailor Moon, something them when nobody now see. And you're out here going like you're a real girl when you're a cartoon nerd as well. So you see it, you know?
I used to watch Cartoon Network and
Cartoon Network, okay. That's nice.
So now that I just say cartoon, did I say it right?
No, you said it right.
Okay.
Okay, but anyway.
You know my tongue twist sometimes.
Moving right along. So Rush Cam, he gave them the challenge that basically they're going to do have like a social challenge quiz.
Yeah.
So they'll be faced with, you know, answering some questions. And right there and then we say like, all right then, who you the think say you need to watch out for? Social challenge quiz. So that little play on words right there.
Wow.
Who
Semitaros.
Okay. Okay, that's like use of your words them now. Okay.
Yeah.
So who you felt like who you felt was going to be the best at this challenge?
Perry.
Why?
Bright boy.
Like
Perry show out. Like show out.
Yeah.
Bright boy, I mean no.
I had Perry because, you know, I feel like Perry has experienced a lot and he's seen a lot.
Yeah.
And he's very good at trivia type of stuff.
No, wait, let me rephrase that to
He's very good at trivia type of stuff. Rephrase what?
The bright. Me nah say the rest of the contestants them don't say nothing.
Jehneel, you know, run for politics and it's like you already hear somebody I say, what you try to say? You try to say the rest of them done? It's like you already just know all people staying there, but like, yo, so what you say?
So, yeah.
What you try to say?
No, that may I try.
It's like somebody say, yo, you know, I love the color, I love black shirt. Yeah. So what you try to say? You like white shirt too? We're on the pink shirt. Damn.
Alright.
So social media stay nowadays, so
yes,
you push me so.
Sorry. Yeah. Sorry.
My God.
Alright,
so anywho, so yeah man, so who will they expect said boy this like a rough for them. Who in the house? Yes, a boy there. Like a social challenge quiz here. Talk it, man, Jehneel. Talk it. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Me say fi talk it, Jehneel. Forget it now. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Forget it now. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Bring it in now. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Talk it, Jehneel. Alright. Talk it, Jehneel. Okay. Talk it, Jehneel. Alright. Talk it, Jehneel. Okay. Talk it, Jehneel. Burritos. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. Number one on the billboard. Oh, so it's Lee. Okay, me too. Twinsies. Okay. Yeah, that's exactly what I thought. And so let's see if we were actually right. Yeah. So when them start off the questions, them know, like, me not even go back to back. Me gonna start off some of the questions. Them are just like, you know, just like get me off now. Hold on.
Buzzer section. I could see him off.
So Rush Cam asked Rebel this question. This was for our first question. Then I'm gonna ask her, what is Usain Bolt's world record? When world record time?
What time did Usain Bolt run to win the 100-meter world record?
No.
I should have me.
You didn't know this, Jehneel?
Yeah.
You didn't know?
Excuse me, why I wouldn't know this?
What the answer?
Because at this remember.
Yeah, alright. Yeah, man.
Yeah, to the world.
Yeah.
9.58 seconds.
Fastest man in the world, but I'm sorry, I never remember.
Like, honestly, I feel like she's supposed to get piece of Jamaican card cut right there, so.
Yeah, no, so let me tell you something.
The number that you're supposed to know.
I'm not going to beat Parry because sometimes when people ask a question, pass spot, sometimes the brain no works same
it just
time.
chip out.
It pick up late.
Short circuit.
It right.
Soon after.
Alright, so that. No man, Jehneel. Wow.
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 Sorry.
That was.
Wow.
No man. Wow. Okay. Get it off your chest, yeah. Get it off your chest. Better out than.
Than never. Better out than in, they always say.
No, sometimes it would fit in.
Okay.
But yeah, man. So then Perry, I'm gonna ask Perry, which Kardashian
Has only one child.
Rob Kardashian.
And Miss World 2019 is Jamaica.
I'm good at.
Me didn't know this. Me never asked. Can me get up and me watch ETV when Kardashians go from early that
But then when Bruce and man till Bruce and man now.
Till him transition.
To cat, what's your name?
Yeah, Caitlyn.
Caitlyn.
We know them stuff here.
You know this?
We know about the Kardashians them. Yeah man, before Kim all there with Kanye. We know Kim from Kim though. Ray J.
Yeah.
Them time them we know Kim.
You went there?
Yeah man, a long time we know Kim man.
Wow.
So you don't know. So who are the Kardashian only the one child? You know the answer. You can say
Rob Kardashian.
Okay.
Yeah.
You know the stuff them.
It
Who are the oldest Kardashian?
It almost me.
Who are the oldest one? Which one are the daughter them? Nope!
Who are the oldest one?
Yes, Kim is not the oldest. Kim is not the
Courtney.
Okay, see there? Alright.
Oh my god, I forgot about Courtney. Kim are the
Which
second.
which one are the pick them? Which one are the girl them? They end up a breed when them a teenager. Come on, man.
What's your name?
Come on.
What's your name?
Come on. Who?
Kylie.
Okay. And what is sister or mother name? Oh man. See it now. What is the name of the Kardashian that modeled? Her name starts
Kendall.
Alright. Okay, and what the mother name?
Chris.
Okay. And what the one name where they get the one back a cheating pan?
Really, Chloe.
Okay, you know your stuff there, man.
Yeah, I know.
Come on, man. Your angle.
Triangle.
Alright, good job. Good. So here the question will come make me want to say point of information. When Yardman Ethan now go up and them go ask him about how many members are in Ravers Clavers. You know the answer, Jehneel? Talk to the people then.
That was wickedness.
Yeah, man.
Wicked. You can't put a number on Ravers.
Yes.
You cannot. This minute you see 15, then one next minute you see 5. Then one next minute you see 6, then one next minute you see 2.
Them is an even number and an odd number. You never know.
Exactly.
You never know.
That was odd.
That was odd.
13 to 14.
Yardman Ethan.
Yes.
Justice for Ethan on that question.
Justice.
I'm thinking they're going to give it like one little Rosie. Go on, Justice. At a 30 grand, I think they're going to give it.
Oh, I think we're going to go. Okay. Yeah. So you want me to give them that?
You could if you choose one to.
I remember it still.
Yeah, it's been a while ago.
Yeah.
No, people. You know what I'm about to mention.
Whoa!
You know what I'm about to.
Crazy.
You know what I'm about to mention.
Crazy.
So then it was time for Lee to go up and go pick her question. I'm going to say Lee, you know, Lee nervous and all kind of things. I know Lee jumpy. So I see Lee go up there now and Rush Camp gave her a question. I'm going to say, alright, then question. Let me wish the best for Lee because Lee's a trying girl. They went ahead and asked Lee this question.
Which singing competition did Tessa and Chin win?
So, them go ask Lee this question. What Lee go answer? Me see Perry, I stress himself out. Me see all of the contestants, I stress themselves out. And Lee goes and answer. Me say, Lee.
Rising Star.
Rising Star!
That's history.
Rising Star.
You know I'm done.
Lee!
Honestly.
Lee!
No, honestly, while I was watching this, you know, Me sing to them, I say, wait, I'm gonna ask the Tessan question. I'm right down, I don't know why I feel like a part of my heart just feels sensitive.
Yeah, man, Tessan, like.
Remember me give her the name, Chinita Goodas and them something there. But feel like that was a part of my legacy work.
Like a close friend thing.
Listen, man.
I chew, Maka, when me hear Ethan say something, I say blouse and skirt. I chew.
No, listen, man. Because after Lee,
we're very over there going with now.
After Lee go and say Digicel Rising Stars, I'm going to say, well, at least she give one answer because really and truly she could have said Dancing Dynamites. Because knowing Lino like me, I feel glad. So at least she said something when I could have said, well, alright, I see where you come with. But then Lino, after me I say, alright then. After me I say, alright then Lee, alright, me get like a half like a blind. Then Lee go answer. Me not even know who Tess and Chin be.
I don't even know him, Tess and Chin.
I said no.
Jesus! Girl!
Lee,
why? You do that?
Why you?
Why you do that, Lee?
You could have just make it stop right
why
there.
Why you adapt me? I say, should I just left it at...
Me just get it wrong. Lee just jump in and say...
Left it right or right
listen,
left it there so.
Lee just say, I don't know who this girl is. I could see her across the street. I don't...
Red flag. Take my breath away, if only you would stay.
Lena know them something I went Tessa and do this.
Only you and that's the way we'll stay. I'll take you there to a secret. So
before you enter the vice, I hope you lose your vice. Jaja.
Oh, what a friend you be, man.
What? Huh? No, it's a little jokey joke.
Look
at joke. This is a little part where they put in the clip of Tessa and Chin. The Tessa and select
Really?
But then I feel give her a blind though because Lee come from Cayman.
Yeah, man. So now for see with Lee. Yeah.
So if anybody forget that wrong, it should be Lee.
Should be Lee, yeah.
Nobody else have an excuse. They can't give Lee a blind and say, well, she come from Cayman. She said 2 years she there Jamaica. I mean, like, good God. Yeah. What them show the vice? I don't know what they.
No, yeah, you never have cable.
I really wish they ask her some questions about Cayman just for see if Lee completely just live in her own universe.
Yeah.
I really would just be unfair to her. I wish they ask her like all the Prime Minister of Cayman. I'll want to something like that. We should have asked her that. You think she wait, actually, you think she know it?
You think she know it?
Boy, you know like that. boy, I'm not gonna say yes, I'm not gonna say yes. I'm not gonna root for her and say yes.
You wear something when you see it.
So then Tanya goes up now and them go ask Tanya like a phrase, a Jamaican phrase. You know like a Jamaican proverbs and like stuff. So them say empty barrel makes the
most noise.
Finish the phrase.
Oh no.
Empty barrels
make the most noise.
Yeah man, and Tanya she angle that she get it right. I was nervous for her though. Come here and say, I don't know if Tanya know them little crevices under the Jamaican culture, but she angle it, she get it.
I wasn't surprised she got that question though.
Yeah, I mean it made sense for her.
You didn't hear what Ethan said?
Yes.
When TheDuttyBerry does this review, him a go vex. That's all I can say.
And yo, watch the show live, you know. And Jehneel like me, I watch the show and me like, I'm thinking everything that the contestants are thinking.
Yeah.
Only if I see them go do a cutaway and I yard man Ethan and call up my name.
Yeah.
You know how weird that feel? Like you watch one show and the TV I talk back to you.
Yeah. Like, yeah, when we hear me, I say, wow.
You're like, this is a 3D experience because I'm watching them and they're talking about me while I'm watching.
You see me?
This is weird. Full circle.
You see me because I see you?
Yeah. You're like, well, in my head. But yeah, man, that was cool. Big up yourself.
Yeah.
Big up yourself, yeah, man. Ethan. And yeah, we definitely are gonna give it to Lee. As me tell him, I just love how Lee just like me just love it. I think it's funny. I think it's funny. Like she sometimes just feel like, yo, Me have to do what I have to do. She don't really care. Sometimes it's like me just have to just laugh.
Just have it, yeah.
You see, right after when Tanya when Tanya got answer the question about empty barrels, make the most nice, yeah. And walk off where your friend go say Jehneel. Talk the man. Come in, remember.
But you gotta go class me again. Oh.
Yeah.
Me never wonder if you go class me again. And some twice the age. I don't know the local proverbs then, girl.
Tanya was a savage, you know. Tanya said. Tanya is a savage. Tanya said to Perry, I mean, you would know all of these things because you're basically twice our age.
How much was it a while ago?
That's not fair. Old people always know proverbs and Perry's like twice my age.
Tanya is so rude. Me class her now.
I was like, bongity dumb. Jaja.
That was a low blow.
So you can't tell, say the bone Perry, though.
But when me hear him say something, I say, whoa.
Yo, weeks later, no Perry, no forget that.
We don't forget.
Perry got in bed. Perry got in bed at night time with that pan in brain. I said, girl, may I come back for you with that? You think me forget it?
Me ignorant. I want class to know and talk some different things.
Yeah,
you
man.
think me forget it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, like that stayed in a Perry cranium.
Can't see say Perry for two.
But you know the other part to kill me, you know? I forgot to pick pan Lee again. When Lee them go ask Lee the question about brick and lace.
You must get this right, I promise.
Me I say, alright then. Lee don't know about Tess and Chin, right? Look at Jamaica, brick and lace.
Lee live on TikTok. How?
Lee.
Oh my God.
We are try with you, and like we are try. Me I like, alright. Lee, but the brick and lace, love is wicked. This song too international face. This is not even Jamaican now. This is a world song. You know the song, right?
Love is wicked. You know, come love is wicked.
Hey,
you see that? Yo, me have to big up the editor, you know. Me now go around you.
Social house editor.
Edit the videos them.
You need a raise.
Bad
you need a raise.
Bad or no bad, cause me I tell you when you cut out rebel and put
come
in
man,
rebel.
Jehneel.
You feel me? Run. Time to feel
I can't get through my days.
You feel me?
Just see my swimming.
And I'ma add it's okay.
I say that you are mine, and I was wrong to think you changed it. I wish I could stay with me another day. I wish I could change your mind and make you stay. Cause I'd give anything to hear you say, I'll be loving you eternally.
Things come up in and your love is wicked. Times when I'm in and your love is wicked. Friends come around saying your love is wicked. Then you kiss me like different, your love is wicked. Can't go around and your love is wicked. Can't sleep or talk and your love is wicked. Friends come around and your love is wicked. Then you're kissing, so love is wicked.
Quick and lace. Another place.
Osh. Come again.
Loved you from the very start. Yeah. Even though I knew that you would break my heart. And I couldn't resist the way you touched me, baby. Cause I assume and I could play the game for two. With me, yeah. Stay with me another day. Just gonna change your mind and make you say, baby, I'd give anything to. I'll be loving you with loving
me eternally. Prince and Marina, can your love is wicked? Can your love is wicked? Prince from around, can your love is wicked? Let's take it in this surgeon. It's on your arm, can your love is wicked? I'm gonna get some.
forget over you.
Anybody ever remember the hour cure? Someone got me out to an emergency crew.
Come and carry feelings for you. What me do? Yeah.
Yo, not bad Monica transition.
I know.
Oh, wow. So Lee does not know the brick and lace. Like Lee just said, listen, I don't know nothing. I come from Cayman, that's our excuse. And we just have to understand.
We have to
understand. So yes, no, Jehneel, no, we're going to move into the whole meat of the matter. No pun intended. We're going to talk about the taste test, the Cran Water with Wow taste test that they decided to do. Did you remember the part when Rebel come for Perry? When Perry talked about everything about season 1. And last year, remember this one, she was just like, we're there season 2 now. We're there season 2 now. Yo, I was taken aback. I was like, Rebel? Not Rebel draping up Perry.
That was funny.
Yo, that was funny. Come here, like, right as he was saying to me, I said, no, man, him really go back to season 1 every minute, you know. You don't like when they have them.
Like Rebel said, we don't need fear that word that this red top, but no season 2.
Jesus Christ, you're like, yeah, man, we're there up to the time right now. Stop living in the past.
Stop living in
we're there right there, so 2023.
Yeah. Crazy.
But that was funny, man. But yeah, man, so in the end, Perry actually won the quiz, as expected. So yeah, man, Perry angle that right there.
Angle triangle, Perry.
Because when it comes to trivia, I don't think nobody can beat him.
I had a little feeling that Perry was going to win this challenge. Perry should have the most knowledge out of all of us.
The only person we think probably could have beat him are probably Rush. Rush should have to be a contestant for like the two of them got angle like a trivia.
You have to give what is due to see.
Yeah, man, he knows like pop culture, like you have to give him that theme domain that.
Yeah, man.
And so he won and
angle it, Perry.
And with that win, he was then able to then select what the other contestants ate, their positioning and the order. So like he had control of all of that now. Right, so Jehneel, who you have and say, yeah man, the person for beat. Who you have it? Who you have on your radar right there, so? Who? Say it again.
Tan.
Say it again.
Tan.
Say it again.
Tan.
Could I never?
Rebel.
Oh, you're quick.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah. You think you never give me you angle that. Triangle. You did that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, man, who you just say never did ever. Wouldn't have made it. Who
never would. What do you think we're going to sing?
Yeah, we sing too much, man. People must tired of us singing, man. We're just
I'm not tired of us singing for
Are y'all tired of our singing?
I know I'm not tired.
I know y'all want an album.
I know one clash to do.
Yeah, nah.
Comment below.
Final episode, alright? Yeah, but yeah. Who you say never did angle and bang with this?
Rebel.
Why?
Because Rebel are just that rebel there. Youngster.
You think so Rebel are going to like an eat from Tony and them
somebody? Nasty nothing in our mouth, bro. Because nasty something in our mouth.
Oh, okay.
Tanya look okay with it though. Because she been talking about it the whole season. Tanya likes putting things in her mouth.
So the first group, come tell you, Perry is a producer upon the show, you know. Because Perry mats out and him think about what was good for the TV. Remember I said something?
Yes, you said that. You said that. Yep.
If you have been watching the reviews, you know, I tell you, like, I might chat some things about, there is a little behind it. There's a little strategy behind it. Come on, understand reality TV. So Perry is a producer.
Yeah.
You get my Perry is a producer, so him kind of look over move the cards them. For this, sometimes for our entertainment and sometimes for film advantage. Because that is a Perry way. And so him didn't know and him smart enough for know say, yeah man, put the little what him consider like lollygaggers, you know, long minute hear the word they have one teacher used to love the word, you know, like them time there are some long time Queen Elizabeth words of lollygag. You ever heard it?
No.
Yeah man, a long time I one teacher, lollygaggers man. That is the eyeglass them, the time wasters. I think it mean like time wasters, eyeglass, One fancy word, one old time word, we're supposed to say we waste time and eyeglass.
Okay.
Yeah, so
we never all for learn.
Yeah, lollygaggers. Say it with me, burritos.
What was that?
You know, when you used to watch Dora the Explorer? Everyone used to love them like interactive something there. I was just trying to do I was just trying to do that with the audience. Like, okay. I thought maybe the burritos would appreciate.
Well, the Jehnelians, them know over here.
Jehnelians. All right.
So you said burritos.
Burritos.
So what you say?
Burritos.
Yeah. Me that forgot to keeping up with Jehneel.
That no.
Yeah, so I find one name for me supporters them. Like you have your
the Wappenites. No.
The Wappenites.
What's up, Wappen? No, Wappen gang against a Wappen gang. Wappen gang.
Okay, so the Wappen gang. No.
We can't work on it. We can't work on it. We can go work. Yeah, next week you can come up with the official name. You would love that, people.
Yeah.
For Jehneel to return here next week with the official name of her supporters of her army. Okay, all right, we'll work on that.
Cause me want fi wine, me so me send for the Wappen bullet.
Couldn't cheer on the one day at all. The one day.
It's so out here. So grimy.
Boy, I really want to root you on for the one day, but. So yes, so Perry selected the first group, and who was in the first group? It was going to be Rebel. It was going to be Lee and Quiet Perry. And Quiet Perry, you know, him always a reference season one. Yeah. So he put himself in the spot where him feel like most of the winners them came from.
Yeah.
And
as
so
Shiny K and Prince Pine.
Yeah. And so when them didn't know, Rush could tell him for go unveil, lift up the box, and the whole of them get balls. All of them get balls.
Lord Jesus.
And it was Perry's reaction for me.
Pigs and cow. Pig and
oh my God! Like Perry get the pig balls.
The pig balls.
Rebel get pig balls. And Lee get cow balls. Jesus Christ, you think you would angle the balls then?
I'm telling you straight. With that slash. Every pint.
We don't slash the balls and eat it.
Would I slash the
I lose the whole eight. No, Jehneel, I lose all your points.
Me just, it couldn't pass me throat, Berry. I couldn't do it.
Nothing. No, you
guys,
said.
Me now got what me say.
Yeah, you're mad. You listen, say you're mad. You're mad.
You said last week, nothing beats a fail more, nothing beats a try than a, something like that. You said something like, not
in a high school when a teacher,
you
said that
last week, I said.
Listen to me, people. I am not being no bias. I wouldn't put that balls in my mouth. It couldn't pass my throat.
Are you saying something wrong with balls being in throats?
Not that balls.
Oh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle bells rock. Oh God, Missy Rebel said like the biggest balls she ever get.
Are the biggest balls I ever see. That's what I mean.
Yo, that was
sorry,
just,
guys.
Yo, honestly, that was crazy.
But me have to give them prop. Me have to give Rebel
that they
prop.
attempted.
I have to give Rebel prop.
No.
Cause she swallow it.
No, Rebel up there, Rebel have vomit and Rebel still have persistent.
Yeah, man.
That show me say Rebel.
Yeah, man. You're a great competitor.
That show me say Rebel is a team player. Huh?
Alright, Mr. Great competitor.
Yeah, man, you're right.
Yes!
Yeah.
Yes! Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So Rebel. That was very.
Cementariously, you behave yourself,
yeah, man.
girl. You're going with yourself.
I was very proud of Rebel. Like Rebel was just in it to win it.
Yeah, man.
Rebel did it. I'm like, all the Rebel are choking. Rebel now give up, you know.
Yeah, man.
What that tell me is that Rebel.
You ought to be mad, man.
You know, when you look at me like that, I am saying that shows that Rebel is determined. She is a fighter. That she will thundering down the straight with a furlong to go. That Rebel does not care about any little discomfort. Yeah. That Rebel is keeping her eyes on the prize. So if she's going to throw up, she don't care about that. No. If she's going to vomit, she doesn't worry about that. No. As long as the balls reach where it needed to reach. That is all you angle and triangular challenge.
And you feel good about that, right?
I was literally just motivating Rebel. Like she really did well to represent her group. Okay. I must say Perry did that try, but Perry said like it just can't go down for him short himself. Like it wasn't. Like I think he was trying to swallow, but him couldn't. But
let's go.
I'm so sorry. Can't do it.
And apparently this smells body. This is a Rush Cam face the whole time.
The whole
like were you trying to imagine what it smelled like?
Expression kills me. Oh my God, him there try for like be the host and keep it together.
No man, look at this stink.
Boxing so.
You look at this stink, man.
What?
I'm see Lee did it. I'm like, I was just surprised that Lee had even not tried. She had tried to separate it and kind of thing. I mean, like social house, why they couldn't separate this something before the people them? Because you want to know what is a half and who could have. Just give the people them the half, man. My God.
Well, me have to give them props to me. I'm not going to tell you no lie. So A for, never mind with the A. B for, all right. C is for challenge. Almost that. Anyway, we're not going with yourself. Never mind. Go carry on.
God. But yeah, man, it was just hilarious. Like seeing Perry there, and Perry keep on like, listen, when you can't, some never try, and like, look on me. We didn't even know some try, like, but he did try.
Yeah, he did try.
He did try, but like,
chew it up. He just couldn't swallow. So, A for effort. You're going with yourself same way because not even.
Yeah, I would not do that.
It couldn't got me lick.
I would not do that. I would not. That would have. Everybody there, they must have choke and a vomit. Like it come like the whole entire scene was coming like the Elephant Man song.
Yeah.
Bad man don't bathe in baby mother rag.
Mad thing. Show me no hype, she must see things say me soft.
Me discipline her with the rod and the staff. Apply the pressure, make sure choke and cough. She said,
I saw them did that go on a social house.
She said,
you want to do a rhythm clash? You want to do a rhythm?
You want? I'm ready.
You think you know song
already? Of course I know song already.
You know song about fiesta rhythm. You don't know dancehall rhythm like how me.
You ready for getting into it?
Yeah, we're ready, you know.
We're going to start.
Rock, paper, scissors. Listen, anyways, we're not starting.
Start.
Ready.
bad man don't beg. With them baby mother rag.
Bad man don't.
Bad man do it hard. Make sure go road, go brag.
Make sure go road, go brag.
Shutter clothes don't wash. Shutter clothes don't wash. With your underwear.
With your underwear.
Shutter you don't play.
Shutter you don't play.
Certain games round here.
Why out?
Girl, let me match them with a soft. I mean, I'm in a picture, I'm in a path. I draw another dish, I'm in the share a car. I'm a nana, hunana, hinana, ha. Call me. You wanna take this?
Call me. You want the cheat tricks? Call me. You want the remix? Call me.
From the other day, it's like I play some boy. You play.
So we hear the girls calling me.
Come in, Jehneel.
Me hear the calling now. Me say,
yeah.
I wanna do the bikini slide.
Yeah.
I want to 1, 2, 3, I want man. I need it. Jamming like a
What's that now?
like a fool.
Tan. All up a cellular and turn it on.
You know, come on and make things like gone. Turn it on. Turn it on.
Get
man for you no regular. From your off credit, show me a cellular. Comfortable cause your boyfriend a hustler. Girl, back out and wine. Wine.
Girl, come up with pop my phone and I put on my phone
cause you want the vitamin S. Girl, you want smoke my cigar and not comment cause you want the vitamin S.
My name is Dick. I got a girl. I'm slamming her locks. Sometimes she play with her kissing her mic. She loves me play with her fur. But Mike,
she have a friend, the internet. Remember the first day we met?
Yeah.
I said, now I'm dead. Now I never enjoy playing with her pet. Something was wrong. Then she have a elastic band. So she never stay too long. She never have a clue. Know what to do. But today. Cause they don't know me like you know me. The kids are dearest friend. They don't hug him when he's in bed.
Yeah.
Kiss him and play with his head. I wonder what some gala saw they round here.
Round here?
See them a argue over man and them a shit.
Yeah.
And you know say
next year away and that's what they need for the dumb here. Yeah. The type of living when they're living round here. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm in here. So girl from your conscience clear. So they wanna rush out, Jehneel.
Hey, man of the least I'm a problem.
Yeah.
Some left idiot for have
yeah.
I'm too cute for mix up and blend.
Yeah.
So I go to the door with an argument.
Yeah.
I'm sexually I'm not in a next time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be on the inside.
Yeah. Them sure.
But too rich to argue with. But too nice to eat them.
Me too.
Everybody sitting me and want that.
That's right. Bomb one. Jehneel, what angle that? What
angle that? Triangle.
What angle the rhythm? No rhythm like how we know rhythm. What them can't do rhythm clash? Them can't do rhythm clash?
No, don't do that.
Them can't do rhythm clash?
We say.
Yeah, right this so.
We say.
Right this so. Please get back to the show now, right? Okay.
All right.
So then now, time for the second group, and the second group went up, and that was going to be the bright spots, because the rest of the other group before, back of the class, we reached the teacher split section now, right? Not the cartel show. The front, the front of the class now, so we had Yardman Ethan, we had Ton Travels, and we had Chad Lucci. Yeah, man, right up there. So this was going to be the real showdown. This come like when you have Shelly and Fraser Price, when you have Elaine Thompson era and Sharika Jackson. This come like when you have Usain Bolt. Johan Blake,
Wow.
and Asafa Powell.
Wow.
Pon the lineup like top 3 settings, like a right to say you go.
Yeah.
Anybody for the taking.
Wow.
Are you still a there rock with Tanya for this, right?
Yeah, man.
Are you never wrong?
No, me never
You
wrong.
never wrong them give the people them.
If I did betting game, you see last night, me.
Would I win?
Me would I win. Me not ask Christ.
What was on the menu?
Because from the come on people, from the episode start, the lady make it be known.
I'm
she
like,
likes
Tanya.
to swallow.
I'll eat anything you know, so this is like I already said it put anything in my mouth. So this is
Stop saying that.
I feel like you've said this at least 2 times this season.
I want to eat some weird stuff. I'm gonna be able to eat anything they throw in my direction. Like worms are nothing. I'd eat a worm if they ask me to eat a worm. Like I will put anything in my mouth at these ones.
Then that's 2 in 1 episode.
They legally cannot give us something that's going to kill us. So just swallow it and move on.
Tanya, we get it. Like anything when it comes to things in your mouth, you are for it. Because like Tanya, make sure that she's been drilling throughout the season. She just want to put things in her mouth. Let me say, all right, Tanya, I believe you now.
I'm fully convinced.
Tanya, I believe you. Trust me
Yeah.
enough to convince me. I believe you now.
We believe it.
Tanya, they be like, listen, Tanya gave us so many TMI moments. Yeah. Tanya said like she swallow, she don't normally swallow. I mean like Jesus Christ, Tanya, like all right, Tanya. Just drop the OnlyFans now. Come on, just drop it. Just drop it because at this point, she is marketing.
Yeah.
At this point, Tanya is marketing. Tanya is marketing right now. Like honestly.
I swear.
But yeah, man. So like they gave them what was on the menu.
Oh my God, cow brain.
You would have tried that? Would you prefer the cow brains over the pig balls?
No, Berry.
Cow brains or pig balls?
None.
Cow, listen, because I actually have a combination of both of them in the cupboard to try out later. You think me never gonna call the people them for Hope Zoo, Jehneel? You think some of them gonna call the people them for Hope Zoo for make you for try one donkey balls? What? With little cow brains? You're getting it. You are getting it. Because I said it last week, you know, so you better be prepared.
Fool in the chat tell me.
Because if you're not going to try that, it's either the cow brains or the dirty balls.
Red flag.
So truth in Jehneel, cow brains or dirty balls?
None of the above.
I mean, I'll take them your side.
I'm sorry, guys. I couldn't do it.
What you say you couldn't do it, Jehneel?
I couldn't do it.
Damn, man, I feel like...
I think I can go manage that.
But Jehneel, like if the world that in and like we're really stuck in one island someplace and like and if I only the cow balls, and like the cow brains, like would I have to find a way to survive?
I want to drink in the seawater.
Yeah, but you want like a food or something there. So at some point I said I will go.
No tree now go there. I just
because like if you did and you drop down, you think someone not gonna take a piece off of your thigh?
Whoa.
I beg your pardon?
So you gotta tell me say you want.
You serious?
Jehneel.
No, Jehneel, me man.
The world at end. I like it. Somebody need to come like we did there for 1 week on one island now. And the plane them not find we yet. And you realize say me pass out. Me done for. And you hungry, you just need little food for carry for like 2 more days. Yeah, tell me. You want to take like a piece of like and write so?
Brother, this is not Justin, what's my name? Jerome, Justin.
This is survival, Jehneel.
This is not Jeffrey.
Me not lie, honestly. If me
What name?
Me not, Jeffrey Dahmer.
This is not Jeffrey Dahmer.
Jeffrey Dahmer. So I'm in love with her, gonna appear drama. And she gets me I say like, so I'm not taking on the wrong, honestly, if that have the case, try a piece of your leg them, come your leg them meaty. So me know that could hold me for like all 3 days. 3 days breakfast, lunch, and dinner. I'm sorry. I mean, we're cool. But like if a dessert reach, honestly, somebody have to go tell the story.
You a nasty mother.
So you'd just rather just like capsize over up on the island?
Just certain things you have to allow and...
You know who would do it?
Who?
Tanya.
Bro, she not even true, she just swallow.
Yeah man, like that was...
She not true nothing, she not true, she just...
No, honestly, I saw Chad and Chad was nervous. Like when I see Chad in front of the plate, I said Chad nervous. So I say, alright, I don't know Chad I got fear. But you see when I look at Ethan, and when I look at Tanya, and Tanya was so relaxed. Tanya never did that stress at all. Me have to say, no man.
No, nothing. That girl that really travel.
Yo, Tanya made me nervous.
Tanya made me enough jungle place.
Tanya made me nervous. Tanya made me nervous. Like say if they give her like some pig with maggot in the pack, Tanya would have just nab it and no business. Like Tanya, like she going on one different. Like Tanya just. I was like, yo, That.
Bravo.
Yeah, man, fear palette.
Bravo.
May I tell you, man, say Tanya palette, fear tongue, it resilient. That tongue has been through some things.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
The tongue, you could go up against H1N1, COVID, everything.
Yeah.
Everything, in that, every destruction, Tanya tongue, make out a madman material. You ever see some madman, you think like, no matter how them, whatever, like, not them because like they have experienced much of life. Like, you know, see them I get sick. So they make out like some bionic type of stuff. And that thing's a Tanya palette.
Yeah,
trust me.
I'm gonna triangle that, sweetheart.
I was very impressed.
Very much.
Very impressed.
Much impressed.
Even though,
oh my God.
Yo, and the fact that she and Ethan hugged on to something in a couple seconds. Did you see that?
Yeah.
With she and Ethan, like literally, they actually swallowed. Like I was like,
in a split of a second, like, oh my God!
But the technique would have been the technique. How you react? How you react, Jehneel? How you react? Them put the cow brains right there, so. God!
You get it? Yeah.
Oh, God.
I'm gonna vomit.
Yeah, I was just very impressed with it.
I couldn't do it! I couldn't do it.
Neither. I was just very impressed with Tanya and Ethan. Like doing that. That was...
And Chad too, because Chad swallowed.
Yeah.
So I have to give Chad the group
Yeah,
two.
Yeah, man, he did what he needed to do. And show in at the end say Perry was right because this group definitely angled it like it was really a competition.
Yeah,
but tell them that good TV and set it up nice for them and know them what that triangle is.
So much so to the point where Tanya was just like, yeah, I know I won. And Ethan was just like, up on the tape. Ethan was just like, did you see when Ethan vomit? I said Perry the whole time. You know, like when you have them girl like got the club them and can't manage them. I have the best thing after that. But like, come in, girl. Yeah, man. Come in, girl. Here, you can't make it. You're dropping on the toilet seat. All right. All right. Yeah, man. Perry this over here. So like, thank you for being a friend. Back to all right. Stop drinking. I kind of look like something else. All right, there you go. Look very Sukiana.
Watch this.
Jesus Christ.
Sure. You have to go put.
It never did the same, but it just, you know.
Just look away.
That's why I look a while ago, yeah. It looked like that bring back flashbacks.
What kind of flashbacks?
Me watch show!
Flashback!
Show! What me watch? Watch!
Make it be new one.
Watch!
Make it be new one, say a movie you watch and get flashback. Shit you mean? Got people out here thinking all kind of things, bro. Make it be known.
But yeah, man, so that was funny. So like there was a whole entire debate where Tanya felt like she did win.
Yeah.
But but Yardman, he was saying, say, yo, the thing was to open him out when you finish, and he did that. So if they never say done, his mouth was open. Yeah. So when them go look on the whole entire tape, in the end, it was revealed that
the two of
them tie.
We play it over and over. We stop the time, we start the time. We watch, we start, we stop, we go. And both Tons and Yardman got 6 seconds 92.
Both of them?
Both of them.
Cause when Tanya, when Tan say finish, Ethan literally up in female.
Yeah. But Tanya never see that. No. So Tanya was just like, you know them people that were finished.
That is like, yeah.
You know them people in our class when them finish for them exam first? And like you still in there and if you reach man paper 2 yet and them just come out and you're like, no man, like, me just reach man the second paper and you come out to the exam already. Wow. So Tanya was just like, listen.
I didn't, I'm telling you, I finished first.
Listen, when it comes to throat, like, I'm about this life. Y'all can't test me.
I'm the GOAT.
Damn, but like it actually, boy, I was just very impressed with that note. So like, second place was Chad, and third place.
Chad, you go!
This close enough. So like, I want Chad to win a challenge so bad. Chad is consistent right throughout the season in find a way for dip on the podium each week, and that has to be commended. It has to be commended. No, but not baby. Like, And so anyway, so the last part, they have one challenge where they have to compete for the $50,000, for the 50 points, additional points, I mean. And what them they get for try for this one again?
Colongs.
Them get for try colongs. You ever try that?
You ask me so much questions for.
Stop asking me the question.
Yeah, I wouldn't have tried that either. And but yeah, So that was it, and eventually two of them tried.
came third.
Yeah, so
was second, and Tan and Ethan came first.
Yeah, so that is the end of that challenge, because let's wrap it up right there. So congratulations to all the people, and it was a fun episode. I did like it. But now is the moment of truth. Remember last week I said that you're going to try something? So you're going to try something now, so just stay here. Just give me a moment. If you can close your eyes, that would be.
I'm here waiting. Jesus Christ, my nerviness. Lord have me, Jesus.
All right, Jehneel, you ready?
No, I'm not.
Are you ready, Jehneel?
No, I'm not.
Just put this over your face. All right, so the people who are watching that, they can see what this is. Right, Jehneel?
Mm-hmm.
Ready? So this is what I'm going to present with you today. This is octopus testicles.
What?
Octopus balls. Octopus balls, Jehneel. So we have them right there, jingling. This octopus balls. Octopus balls. You see that? So if you can just like eat at least half of it, we're good. Or just put it in your mouth. So I just added a little razzle dazzle. So this is frozen octopus balls. See right here?
Rashi, come ready.
No, Jehneel. We're having it. This is a frozen octopus balls.
We're having it.
Come on, Jehneel.
I told you I was.
Jehneel, just put one of the octopus balls in your mouth.
Excuse me.
Jehneel, put one of the. Do it for the good. This is going towards charity. Huh? This is going like if you try one of the octopus balls, you give back like to charity. To the burritos, they're.
Putting a ball in my mouth.
Come on, Jehneel, don't act.
Are you serious?
Jehneel,
I'm not trying.
You see me I'll spin the balls them like a cash pot. You see how the balls
I'm
there,
not trying it.
And now for your favorite game. What will be the lucky number in today's drawing?
I'm not trying it.
Come on, man. Carrie, I'll watch you. Come on, man.
I'm not eating it.
And the winning number for today's draw is Jehneel. I'm going to take one of the octopus balls. You take one. Hold it in your hand. Jehneel. Jehneel.
It's Jehneel.
Jehneel.
Okay.
Jehneel.
Wow.
All right. Jehneel. Take one, man.
Yes, I'm so cute. I guess. Say it again.
Jehneel.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. So I have to take the smallest one.
Because I just look on it.
All right. So after 3. So
what is?
I said it is octopus balls.
Lies, lies, and more lies.
Then I saw octopus balls, bro.
Yes. So you're just going to open your mouth and put it in. Okay? 1, 2, 3. You want your pint slash? Jehneel, put the octopus balls in your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Jehneel, you have to put it in your mouth. The people are watching. Come in, Jehneel. Come in. Oh, Jehneel?
Jehneel.
Jehneel. Like Jehovah. Okay. Jehneel. Ready? Come on. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, man. Chewy now, no? Chewy now. Chewy now. Frigga you. Hold that, your ball.
No! Put the balls here. You could put the balls in your mouth.
I'm not doing that.
Wow.
I told you guys, I'm sorry. I ain't doing
Well,
shit.
burritos, I tried.
I'm putting balls up in my mouth.
You want to say that again? Where's the Bible? Anybody have a Bible? Anybody ever? Anybody have a Bible upset?
What are you trying
Anybody ever?
What are you trying to say?
Yeah, but you put it out, you know. That's
The Bible.
Yeah, anyway.
I ain't putting balls in my mouth.
You're saying I dip on them things there.
Not the...
You know, dip on them. You know. You know.
This is just for entertainment.
Well, people, that is it for this Social House review of episode
9.
Oh God, thank you so much for watching. As usual, like, share, comment, subscribe, comments, let me know if you're enjoying all of the season so far. Can't believe after I think one more episode I've left, you know. This is almost coming to an end. Whoa, just so. But anyway, people, tell people where them can find you.
You can check me out on Instagram, TikTok at Keeping Up with Jehneel. Please, guys, remember to go over my YouTube channel, like, subscribe, and comment. You know, let me know what kind of content you guys would love to see. So yeah, boom, bam,
yeah,
bam, bam, bam.
Well, yeah, and as usual, you know, follow me at TheDuttyBerryShow on all my social media. Remember that the social media countdown is out now, so go and go check it out on the TheDuttyBerryShow page. Well, clearly you're here, so just go and go check it out since you're here. Yeah. And to subscribe, come on, I'll watch the videos then. And not subscribe. Like to the page, man, just don't want to subscribe. Subscribe, man.
We're not charging you for subscribe.
Anyway, take care, you know, because next week, I like the final episode apparently. And so a big excitement now, and so, but I forgot just up next week, Jehneel. Well, I forgot to put out goating clothes, like different clothes like setting. We have to make it look like a Met Gala where I go.
What?
We have to make it look like a Met Gala. The final, like, we have to go step up like the final review. Like, we really have to go, you know, show out. We have to go bathe 3 times a day and them something there.
3 times, makeup, everything.
Yeah, everything. Glam squad.
Everything.
Everything coming out, breeze all blow, you're hearing at the background, them something there.
Yeah.
More hear y'all have a lot of different accent. I know when you come in and talk like, you're supposed to talk like all Bangladeshi and I was trying to say something, I was like, yeah, come out.
Yeah, man, the dictionary, I understand.
But anyway, bye, Jehneel.
Bye, guys. Yeah, because you come like you just want to talk, you know, you never plan for that.
The people them here for watching, you know.
Alright.
But honestly, I don't even want, you know, drop this week. We're just tired. We're still have all our energy for the next one.
Yeah, me there wait for you get up see for me push or something.
So you want to push me?
Me did work, I'm tired for drop.
No, but you never tried the balls.